Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel called Teresa Jackson, the cerebral palsy sketch artist, and on TikTok at TJ Art Gallery. I hope that you are all well. Today's video is about disabilities accessibility. Breaking barriers. Unveiling the true potential of disabilities. Disabilities should never be seen as limitations. It's time we redefine accessibility. Society has come a long way, but there's still work to be done. Disabilities don't limit ambition. They don't limit creativity either. Technology is breaking barriers. Employment opportunities are expanding. Education is becoming more inclusive. Voices are being heard across the globe. Even travel is becoming more accessible. Infrastructure is improving. Social stigma is slowly fading away. Disabilities are not barriers, they're opportunities for growth. Let us celebrate diversity and embrace the true potential of disabilities. Thanks for watching. Join us as we continue to break barriers and promote accessibility. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel called Teresa Jackson, the cerebral palsy sketch artist, and on TikTok at TJ Art Gallery for more inspiring content. And on a plus note, if you are in Wallington, Surrey and to see me, please do come up and say hello to me. Also, my biography is now out on my website. I will link it below, so please do have a look. And don't forget about Questions Wednesday, where I ask your questions that you comment or message me on TikTok and YouTube comments, so don't hesitate to ask me any questions. See you soon.